Welcome back, guys and girls, in PHP Beginner Lessons Part 2. In the first PHP Beginner Lessons, I've created with you this PHP underscore beginner folder inside our htdocs folder. If you didn't have download XAMPP, then I think you already have XAMPP, okay? Or you're using other local machine. Okay, inside our htdocs folder, we have created a PHP underscore beginner folder. Inside of that, we have created even our index.php, what I now have opened in Notepad++. We starting to create now, before we started to create some PHP code, we creating some HTML, because I want to show you the result of PHP inside our HTML code. Yes. If I'm going too fast for you, then you can pause the video, or you can play it again when you think I'm going too fast. Okay, I'm trying to do my best over here, because since you noticed this, my English is not very well. But okay, let's go. First thing, I want to create some p tags, couple times, /p. Yes. Now, when we have do this, I want to create at the top here, between our opening PHP and closing PHP, I want to do some PHP code inside. Okay, I want to start with a $name equals nothing. Okay, then I want to start with a $last name equals nothing. Then I want to start with $date of let's say birth, yes, equals nothing. Okay, I want to call my name Harry. Yeah, I want the last name Potter. Oops. And I want the date of birth 12 of 05 1986. All right. At the top of our the page, I want to put something else inside. I want to type in title equals welcome to my website. Yes, we don't need it. Save the file. Now we go between our opening and closing title. We put in opening PHP tags. Yeah, and the closing PHP, and echoing $title. Yes. Now I want to write some text. Welcome to my first web page with PHP. Yes. Couple of dots. My name is. Now I want to opening PHP again and close it again and echo $name. Oh wait, my first. I want to change that. My first name. Oh, first name is. Then PHP echo $name, closing PHP. Then I want to do is my last name is, again opening PHP, closing PHP, and echoing $last name. All right. Now we do again closing opening and closing PHP, my date of birth is opening PHP and closing PHP, echo $birth. Yeah. Now we're going to preview this in our browser. So I'm starting up Firefox. If it works, yeah. It's a little bit slow, I see. Yeah. Now I type in http :/localhost. Localhost I have to see by myself. PHP beginner. PHP_beginner / see what we have, index.php. Oh, index.php. Okay. As you see, we have at the top of the page, next to at the right side of our Firefox logo thing, welcome to my website. We use that as a title. You see, $title, welcome to my website, and we echo it out with PHP between our title tags. Okay. Then we have created some tags. Welcome to my first web page with PHP. ... Okay. Then we have created my, and then we echo this with PHP echo dollar first name is Harry. You see, this our first name was Harry. You see, our first name $name was Harry, and then we did my last name is Potter. You see, my date of birth is $birth, and that gives us this. All right. Type this the same, play with it, and try something in your own browser. You can create more PHP more PHP like this. Let's see your address. Let's say $address equals, and then here inside of this your address, and you type in here again some p tags, closing p tags, and then here welcome or my address is opening PHP, closing PHP, echo, then $address. Yes, address is yeah, where you live, blah blah. You know, let's say now we go back, we're refreshing. You see, my address is blah blah. You see, so type this in your own editor and see the result in your browser. Then you know now the first steps of PHP. Okay. Actually, why I'm using this in our first tutorial, so you're really going to try to give your page an own title, use some other names, or try it by yourself now, and in the next lesson you will try and learn something more than only this. Okay, I hope to see you in part 3 of PHP beginner lessons. Okay, see you then.